Welcome to RV Roof Renewal. Thank you for visiting us today. Allow me to give you a little bit of information on us. You may have just found what you were looking for. At the same time, please feel free to scroll down below and go ahead and hit the mute button or expand the video if you wish. We specialize in the roofing of RV roofs. That is the number one failure today of the RV industry. And it's just because the manufacturers want speed. It's just the installation practice they do. Coat the deck only with their glues when they put the roof down, leading to ballooning like you see here. Or coming around and caulking all the vents, caulking around the ladder posts, caulking. It's all they can do is caulk. And then when you pick up this $100,000 unit you just purchased, you are informed, or should have been informed, that you are required to do a yearly inspection on that roof. Now, hold on a minute. Let me try to explain it this way. Let's just say we ordered a brand new roof on our home. The roofers come in, they shred it, get it all down to the decking, reshingled it. It looks beautiful. The roofer comes off the roof and says, "You see those plastic vents over here, those plumbing stacks? Oh, the chimney right along the edges over here. It is your responsibility, so you understand, every year you have to go up on that roof and inspect that caulking. And if it leaks and we determine it was from the caulking, that's on you." Why are we allowing this to happen in the RV industry? Because that's exactly what's happening. So we developed the RV Roof Renewal. And our primary focus is reflashing all these roofs and flashing them properly so you guys can go travel across the country. You can go camping knowing you're never going to have to do an RV roof inspection again, checking caulking or anything. We clean all that caulking off. We get it right down to the bare metal, right down to the screws, and then we reflash them like you see being done here. Once and for all. That's called the RV Reflash for Life. That comes with a 10-year guarantee never to leak again. If that RV roof leaks and it has anything to do with any of these items, it is absolutely covered. You have some decking that deteriorated or rotted because of a leak, and we determine it's from our workmanship, we pay for it for the whole 10 years, unconditional, and that's transferable. We specialize in replacing rotted decking. In other words, one day you woke up, you went up on the roof, and whoa, you almost went through that roof. You take it to the dealer, and he tells you what? We have to replace the whole entire roof. Incorrect. You don't have to replace the whole entire roof. When you understand EPDMs and TPOs and hypalons and all these different commercial products, as we do with over 37 years of experience, we know how to open up that roof. We literally commit surgery to that roof. We will slice it right down the center. We will peel the product back. We will replace all the decking. And then we re-glue the material back over it. That's what we do compared to what our competitors do. So you can spend $8, $10, $12, $14,000 on a new roof and a redeck, or you could spend $3 to $4 grand getting the deck repaired versus totally replaced. Gutter perimeter sitting over here. I like the principle, but the fact is when we open them up and we pull the screws out, they're leaking. All the screws look like this, rusty, corrosion. That means water's getting behind the termination bar. That gutter that you see right there is actually called a termination bar. You call it a gutter because it looks much nicer than a termination bar. I would highly recommend you flash them like this. We reinforce all the edges around that RV, part of the reflash system. That way, when you're going down the state park roads and because of lack of experience and lack of knowledge, you have branches smacking the side of the RV and it ends up looking like this. Those are all leaks now. You take that to a dealer, you just got hit with a $12,000 bill. Go along that edge, do a reinforcement strip all the way around that perimeter, and that RV is now 90 mil thick versus the 30 mil that the manufacturers use on the decking itself. 3 times thicker. The odds of you poking a hole along that edging now is pretty close to nil. That's what we do. Folks, right now we have a spring special going on. 50% off on labor. Do not hesitate, because these slots will be filled. We have a limited amount of slots. When they're filled, they're filled. When that happens, this whole deal is over. That means no more caulking. That means no more yearly inspections. That means 10 years guaranteed your RV roof will not leak. That means you can go travel down the forest roads, not worrying about punching holes in the side of your RV. That means camping and enjoying family quality time right now. Feel free to call us at this number listed right here on the website or click the link down below and also get an appointment scheduled ASAP. January, February, and March. As soon as this thing fills up, this deal is over. With that said, God bless you all, and we'll talk to you real soon.